Hi everybody, this is Sarah Forti, Realtor with Coldwell Banker Preferred. Thanks for checking out our video blog. Today our topic is how to pick a homeowner's insurance policy. Before I get started, I just want to point out the two links on the side of the page. The one link is where you can find all the homes in the MLS. So if you're looking for a home or just browsing, click on that and you can find all the houses that are online. And the other link is if you're curious about what your home is worth today on the market, you can click on that for a home valuation report. Once my home buyers go under contract, one of their first questions that they ask me is, where do I find homeowners insurance? There are a few different ways to go about this, but basically it boils down to two different routes you can take. You can either go through an insurance broker, or you can go to a direct insurance provider, for example, Geico or Allstate or State Farm. There is an idea out there that if you go to the company that your car insurance policy is with, that they'll automatically have the cheapest policy. This is not necessarily always the case. Usually in maybe 20% of the cases this is true, that they will be able to give you a great rate. So when you go to an Allstate or a Geico, one of those big companies, when they can provide a good policy for you, it's great. It's a home run. So you can always start with them. But one thing I am recommending is that you also check out prices by going to an insurance broker, because what a broker can do at no cost to you as the buyer is he or she can provide a couple of different options to you that you would have never known had existed. And they can price everything out for you to help you find the best policy and best prices. And you'd be surprised that often you'll end up saving money not just on your homeowner's insurance, but your car insurance as well. So I like going to brokers because they give you lots of different options, but it's still worthwhile checking out your car insurance company and seeing if they can give you that multi-policy discount. And the other tip I wanted to offer is that there's something called a 2 in 3 rule. The 2 in 3 rule that insurance companies look at strongly affects your cost of your policy. If you have 2 or more claims on your homeowner's insurance policy in 3 years, that is going to severely impact the price of your policy. So it's going to go up exponentially. For example, your policy could be $1,100 a year. If you have made 2 claims in the past 3 years, that policy will now be $2,200. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. One rule of thumb that has been passed along to me is if that homeowner's insurance claim is $3,000 or less, it's probably not worth making a claim. If it's between $3,000 and $5,000, it's worth giving it a second thought about whether you really want to make that homeowner's insurance claim or not. And then if it's above that and it's a significant financial impact, then it's probably worth making the claim. Of course, every situation is going to be different given your financial situation, but those are just some of the tips that I've learned in the business and I want to share with you. So thanks again for checking us out, and we hope to see you again soon.